We are pleased to show you the 2022 Taycan. The Porsche Taycan is an electric vehicle that still lives up to the hype of being a Porsche. Unmatched looks, power, and luxury, with the added plus of being an electric vehicle. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, driver airbag, Bluetooth, air conditioning, passenger airbag, power steering, cruise control, climate control, center armrest, premium sound. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.